Today I'm going to show you how I make an I-cord tool at home using simple things I already have around the house. For this, I'm using a marker, 4 paper clips, and some tape. I start by taking the marker apart. After that, I cut off the tip so I'm left with this hollow tube. That's what we'll be working with. Next, I open up the paper clips. These are going to act as my pegs. I also crimp them a little to make them thinner so they fit better on the tube. Then I tape them onto the marker tube. Duct tape would have been better, but I just used what I had. I bend the tips of the paper clips slightly. And with a big eye needle, I pass the end of the yarn through the tube. Now I start wrapping the yarn around the pegs, just like this. When all 4 pegs are wrapped, I take the yarn around all of them and begin lifting the bottom yarn over the top yarn. And that's the motion you repeat all the way around, again and again. You'll have to keep pulling the bottom yarn down so the cord can continue growing. It's a slow process, and you really need patience, so don't give up. Sometimes I use a small weight to help pull the cord downward and keep things steady. Here's what the cord looks like when it starts coming out. Honestly, my dream is to get an automatic cord maker because those things are so much faster. But for now, this works. To finish off, I loop the yarn from one peg to the next until everything is closed. Then I pull my cord out. Here's the difference between the cord I made with the 5-peg tool and the one from the 4-peg tool. From here, you can make all kinds of projects with your cord. If you have metal wire, you can shape it into letters, symbols, and lots of other fun ideas. What would you make? If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.